Yeah. Okay, guys. So over the years, I've been working on different technologies worked on as part of my work and all, and I've trained students on data science. Okay, Python I've used for more than 5 years, 6 years into training. I've used it for more than 3 years as well. I've worked on this technology, Python, and I've used, as I told, Gen AI, okay, and Agentic AI as well. I've worked on ML technologies as well, building different things and all. Okay, so this is the overview, guys, actually. So yeah, this was a little bit introduction that I wanted to give you at the initial start. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any question, guys, for me? Anything you wanted to know apart from course training? As anyone? We are open for the discussion, guys. And then I'll try to walk you through the workshop as well. Just like people think they want to move to, right? So, and how much the science and artificial intelligence or Gen AI, right? These might be some questions that you might have, and how much knowledge is required, like uh, 8 years, 5 years, and I know my current role into data science. I'm still working in IT, but can I, this kind of questions will be there, right, guys? So you guys are open for questions. You can ask, guys. Anything you wanted to ask me? Then we'll try to look into the workshop details. Yeah, guys. Any questions, guys? You have regarding the training or anything you wanted to check? We are open for discussion, guys. You can let me know. Okay. Anything you wanted to discuss, guys? So, okay, fine, guys. We'll start for the seminar. Okay, questions if you have, you can let me know, and we can take at the end of the session as well, because this is a free seminar, right? So, and it is on Sunday, so I'll not take much of your time. Okay, I know it's a Sunday, so we'll try to keep it as per the flow and all. Okay, so at the end, if you have anything also, you can let me know. Okay, regarding the seminar and training, okay, or any other details like your experience and any other part. Okay, so then I can help you out. So yeah, as I told, I have worked on different technologies, guys. Okay, so data science also is part of software. Okay, mostly I have worked into IT domain. So I have done programming. So data science requires programming, guys. Okay, and that too Python. Okay, so different people might have worked or are from different backgrounds like Java, .NET. Nowadays, a lot of people are working on React, right? And Node.js, all those kind of things. So for data science, yeah, one second. Yes, guys. Okay, so data science, guys. Okay, as I told, only one more question, a lot of people will have is, do data science, as I told, require any programming? Okay, so it is mostly relying on Python, as I told. Okay, and few more questions like or understanding will be there. Like, is data science only for engineering candidates? Okay, or people from CAC or IT background engineering, right? Computer science and IT. Okay, that will be the general perception, right? Because those are from technical background. So generally, is a data science only for those people like that, right? Like for example, uh, you are learning Java. Okay, so after learning Java, what you will do, guys? Any understanding, right? For example, a person who is learning Java, right? He will build the website application, right? Web applications, Java web-based applications, right? In the real time after he learns and he is ready to work on the projects and all, right? So in the real time, he will be working for a business requirement. So for example, if it is a finance company or a medical company, right? So they would want for example, if you're going for a banking also or medical. So the client might ask you to build a web page with the login form first, right? So you will have certain fields and all inside the login form, okay, like a name, age, different things based on the requirement. So client will ask you to build those things, build those web pages, right? So this is in the real time. Okay, you understand, right? Clear? I hope. So this one, if you learn .NET also, same, you'll be building the website applications or web applications for the clients. Different business requirements will be there, right? Clients or companies that you'll be working. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this. Okay. So yeah, let me have some design as well. Okay, so I hope you got the picture of this one. Okay, yeah, let me go. Okay, so for example, I'll use the pencil here. One second, guys. Yeah, so I'll tell you about this one. So first you'll have, I told you about data science, right? And it requires Python programming language. Now, this is mostly like I have given you one point as well, like for CSC or IT people like that, they only do that or anyone else is open, right? So that is also covered. So now, for example, I told if person is learning Java and not, right? Or .NET. So he will build a website networking guys first. Okay. You can put as, I'm just writing in the normal way, guys. Okay. Networking. Okay. So inside networking, there will be a lot of different networks will be there, guys. Okay, or else we can here also have the drawing as well. Okay, for example, shapes are there, right? So this is one thing. Okay, so inside you'll have the networking as well. Okay, here networking will be there. So inside networking, you have to build certain websites, suppose. Okay, so that is the business application or rule, guys. Okay, clear? So this box which you're seeing here, this is the networking suppose. Okay, because networking will be defined, and inside this one, you will have to build the website applications and all. Okay, yeah. Next one is now. I told you about Python programming, right? Data science. So data science again is further divided into, okay, three parts. Okay. So first one, I told you about Python programming, right? This is the requirement. Okay. Inside this one, you'll have much more deep things. Okay, because data science relies on Python. Okay, so yeah, first requirement will be to learn machine learning base. Okay, hope you might have heard about this terminology. Okay, or word anywhere in the market or from some persons, right? Okay, so generally we'll call this one as ML. Okay, next you have deep learning. Okay, yeah, clear. Next one is artificial intelligence. Okay, generally you call it as AI. Clear this? Okay. So if you want to go for graphical wise, right? Okay, for example, this is the outer part I'm explaining. This is AI suppose. Okay. Inside this one, you'll have ML, and inside this one, you will have DL as well. Okay, deep learning. Clear? So this is how the cell goes actually, or the hierarchy goes. Okay. Okay, so this is about the data science. Now, for example, yeah, people actually why they want to learn data science. Okay, you know about data science, right? Basically, data science. Okay, in general terms, I'll explain this. Okay, what is data science and all. So basically, like what is the perception of the people here is okay. It requires like a lot of understanding and of mathematics concept and all, as I told, right? Okay, that is a bit one part you can say. Okay, but data science will be mostly the study of scientific methods. Okay, like you'll study about algorithms. Okay, I told you about Python programming, right? So basically, you can say as it is the study of scientific methods. And you know about scientific processes as well, right? Okay. And also there will be algorithms. Okay. Clear. So this is about data science. So it is the study of scientific methods, process, and algorithms. Okay. So these things you'll try to learn on the basic level. Inside these processes and methods, okay, there will be much more deep parts. Okay. Then that has to be understood. Okay. So with the help of Python, okay, you'll be able to write and understand the methods and algorithms as well, okay, as part of data science. Okay. Next point on this one is it will okay, basically it will combine, you can say, okay, statistics. Okay, why statistics is important, guys, for data sciences? To have the measures, okay, the proof of numbers and all, to do the data analysis or data science, we require statistics and probability. These two are very, very important chapters in your mathematics subject, okay, that uses different scientific methods and processes in order to work on data science. Okay, so all right, data science combines statistics. Okay, and we have already discussed about this one, right? Computer science. Okay, and domain knowledge. So I'll come to this one, guys. What is domain knowledge? Okay, domain knowledge is nothing but, for example, if a person is a Java developer, okay, and he is working for a company of the insurance domain. Basically, the domain is like what company do what work or what services actually they offer, okay, for the people. So that insurance term can be put under domain. Okay, so you need to have some, or people need to have some domain knowledge as well. Okay, as part of learning the data science, because it applies to different industries. Okay, different companies. Okay, like companies like banking is there. Okay, finance is there, auditing is there, medical. Okay, statistics companies are also there. Stats are there. So like different food and beverages is there, right? Sports companies are there, different companies are there. So whichever company you're working for, so domain, what they are working actually and what they offer, okay, that can be termed as domain. Okay. Yeah, guys. I hope I'm clear, guys, till here. Any doubts you have till here, you can ask me, guys. We are open for your doubts. Okay. Any doubts till here, guys, you wanted to check or ask? Okay. So domain knowledge. So data science will combine statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge in order to find the patterns. Patterns means, for example, uh, you are building a graph, I suppose. Okay, some kind of graph you are building. Okay, so this is the planes, for example. So you will have the data to work upon, right? There will be some data that will be given to you. So if you are seeing some points like this, okay, or pattern like this in your data, okay, then you can term it as a pattern, okay, or the figure like this, okay. Just an simple example on how the patterns will be, guys. Okay, to find the okay. Also, it will build the algorithms I told. Okay, some people will call it algorithms. Okay, some people will call it models. Okay, to find the patterns and also build predictive models. Predictive means you can do the prediction using those models or algorithms. Okay, clear? And also to uncover, you can say, uncover hidden trends. Okay, within large data sets. Okay, data set is nothing but if combination or a file of database. Okay, so this will see once we are into the demo and all, right? So I just wanted to keep it very simple so that you guys should not feel like okay, it is like very deep and all. Okay, so simple way I'll try to make you understand. Okay. So by doing this, guys, okay, so it's able to combine statistics, computer science, domain knowledge, patterns, right, to find the patterns, predictive models or build models, and also to uncover hidden trends. So your data will have some hidden trends. Okay, that is possible for a person to uh, recover or uncover them. Okay, using data science principles. Okay, in your data sets. I hope this is clear. Yes. Okay. So what this will do, what the findings, what you're doing, right? Combining these things and also what this will benefit is this one, informed decision making. So once you like have some analysis and information, right? Then you will be able to make the decision based on that information what you collected using data science principles. Informed decision making for what you're working for business, right? So you can go back to business and tell, okay, these are the findings that has been recovered or you have been able to find, okay, and also different organizations. Okay, so this was about the data science. So useful, right? Any doubts still here, guys? You wanted to ask anything, you can let me know. Okay. So yeah, so this was about the data science, and now again we'll get into these things. Okay. So one perception or question might come like, can we learn deep learning or artificial intelligence? Okay. So that I can tell as no ways, because you need to go for first understanding of machine learning. Okay. Then the hierarchy comes like deep learning and AI. Okay. Because few concepts are interdependent and directly dependent as well. So directly it's not possible because you'll not understand. Okay. If I start directly on deep learning, okay, in my later on after the training, right, after this workshop and all demos and all. So deep learning and AI, okay. If I start, then you'll not be able to more understand. So machine learning is what we have to look into first. Okay. Yeah. Clear till here, guys? Any doubts? You can ask me. Okay. Yeah, there's no questions. So we'll move ahead. Okay, so I told you about these things, right? So yeah, like we know, right, guys? For example, you are a data scientist, okay, and you go for a company interview, okay, and you're going for the interview. So what can you expect the company or the interviewer to ask you questions based on data science? What understanding you have? You will get a thinking like this, right? There will be some points like, okay, what uh, questions might be asked when we are going for data science interview and all, right? Clear. So when you're working for a interview, for example, for different companies, so definitely there will be questions regarding the technologies that you have worked on or you have used, right? Okay. So what about data science you can expect, guys? So data science is not about building any web application. Okay, you'll not do that. Okay. So learning Python and other things. Okay. Using this, you'll do the analysis. I'll tell you. Okay. What it is, but you'll not be building any websites. Okay. You can just note here. Okay. Will not build any websites or do any web development work. Okay, that is not that's going to be there, guys. Okay, what they will do is they will analyze or predict. Okay, data scientist or data analysis will predict. So prediction means, what do you mean by prediction, guys? Like what you have in the past. Okay, based on that, you have to predict for future. Okay, suppose if there is a data in the history, so generally you'll call it as historical data. So based on that historical data, you have to do some analysis and predict for the future. Like prediction means you have to predict for some things, right? So basically data scientists will do prediction analysis. Okay, guys. Hope I'm clear. Prediction analysis, right? Okay. Any doubts still here, guys? So you will have, okay. Yeah, guys. Okay, so this is about the prediction analysis part. Okay, so basically you will be forecasting, guys. Okay, about the future outcomes. Okay, future results and all based on your historical data. Okay, so this can be achieved. Prediction analysis. Okay, this can it will use some, as I told, historical data or previous data to predict for the future. And also it will apply statistical methods, okay, machine learning and some data mining techniques also, okay, to identify the patterns in your analysis. Okay, guys, I hope till here we are good. Yeah. Now, so what data scientists will do, okay, basically they'll ask questions, okay, and also ask and answer the questions as well. Okay, for example, they'll formulate the questions like how to find the uh, historical data. Okay, what has happened or why it happened. Okay, and also what will happen in the future. Okay, they will collect and process the data. Okay, what data scientists will do, I'm telling guys. Okay, they will collect, as I told, they will ask and answer the questions, right? Why it will have, why it happened. Okay, now what was the reason and what will happen in the future based on previously what happened. Okay, so that is part of your prediction analysis. And they will collect and process the data. Okay, they gather, they clean the data. Okay, from various sources they will gather. Also, they will analyze the data. Okay, they will use statistical analysis. Okay, inside prediction analysis and some advanced analytical methods as well. Okay, to identify patterns, trends. Okay, and any kind of you can say errors in your data. Okay, and also they will build the models as I told, right? And also they will communicate the findings, what they basically. Sorry guys, due to some network issue, the call got dropped. Okay, let me share the screen. One second. Okay, so due to some uh, technical issue, actually, the screen share is currently like not happening. Actually, we'll try to fix it, guys. Okay, but yeah, I'll give you the overview of data science is done, right? You understood what exactly the data science is, right, guys? I hope, right? All of you. Hope it's clear, guys. Any doubts still here? Okay, yeah. Thanks, Samir. Thanks. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so they will. I told you about the responsibilities, right? Data science. They will do some data analysis. Okay, basically they'll work on the data. Okay, data pre-processing, like cleaning the data. Okay, managing the data, like that. Problem solving. Okay, address some business problems. Okay, and scientific problems. Okay, and they will have to gather relevant questions also. Okay, by using the data to find the answers. Okay, these are some responsibilities and communicating, and also they'll create different tools and different programs as well. Okay, from the data in order to monitor the data, in order to do the analysis as well. Okay, so as I told, these are the skills that are required, guys: statistics and mathematics. Okay, computer science knowledge, machine learning and AI. Okay, domain knowledge also, and also communication. Okay. So this is about the data science, guys, like what it is and what it does, why it is required in the market. Like for example, uh, currently you are seeing the layoffs and all, right? People are getting a lot layoffs a lot. People are getting laid off, right? In current times, and because AI has come into the picture. Okay, 20 years ago there was no AI, right? So slowly over the time it got developed, right? So AI is doing what? It is automating the process. It is somewhat removing the manual work. Okay, it is automating. That means it is reducing the human intervention actually, okay, or manpower you can say. So that is why what AI is doing is it is like a lot of people are trying to learn it actually, right? What exactly AI is or what data science is, because this is the technology that is currently in demand, like highly demand, right? There's everywhere uh, you go, you will find data, right? Data is everywhere, right, guys? You agree, right? So that is the reason people are interested to learn data skills. Okay, there are different things. For example, analysis purpose they learn. Okay, data science they are going for. They're going for big data. They are going for learning on AI tools. Different AI tools are there, right? Okay, like ChatGPT is there, Gemini is there. Okay, so this is actually like asking for a lot of questions. Why? Because there are a lot of layoffs happening and companies are looking for upgrading to new technologies. Okay, like AI is helping a lot in terms of upgrading the people. Okay, one point you can understand. And also data science as well. Okay, clear? Understood, guys? I hope. Okay, yeah. So now I'll come to the AI part, guys. Okay, I hope data science is understood. AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is an emerging technology, guys. Okay, and also it enables machines, different machines to simulate like human beings. Okay, in a general term and explaining you guys. Okay, for example, human like abilities, you can say learning, problem solving, and also the most important is decision making. Okay, so it is enabling the machines to act or react like humans for these things. Okay, like decision making is there, problem solving, and learning anything like that. AI is doing that work, guys. Okay, so AI systems generally on a normal level, they will process large amount of data, guys. Okay, in order to process and identify the patterns in the data or hidden information, you can say. Okay, because data in real time, okay, will be unstructured, guys. Okay, whenever you're working on a data, right? So data will not come to you in a structured format. It will be in unstructured format. That means you have to clean the data. There will be a lot of bad values. Bad values means like some rows are missing or some information is incorrect in rows or columns, right? In tabular format, if you're getting the data in that format, and you'll have some special characters in the data, okay, or else some person's name is missing or it is incorrect, location is missing or that is incorrect. Okay, so all those kind of things, okay, that will be termed as unstructured database, okay, on a general level app. So as being a data scientist, it is our responsibility to clean that data, to make it structured. Okay, then only you can understand and proceed with the analysis. Okay, clear, guys? So AI will help a lot in order to work upon large data sets. Okay, basically to make the predictions happen, right? We are, as I told, data science is about predictions. Okay, so AI is also about the predictions and all future predictions. Okay, and perform different tasks, like for example, understanding the human language. Different languages are there, right? So they'll try to understand. Okay, one second, guys. Yeah, guys. Just 1 second, guys. Screen sharing is getting fixed. 1 minute. Yeah, guys. Okay. So this is about AI, guys. Just a overview I have given, okay, on how to understand the AI. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts still here, guys, on the AI part or data science part that you have not understood, or you have some questions, you can ask me. Okay, fine. So how AI works, guys? Okay, AI is, as I told, it's a system, right? It will function by learning from the large data sets. Okay, rather than it will rely on the programming for each and every condition or situation. So it will learn from large data sets. Okay, so basically it will recognize the patterns, right? Yeah. Okay, this is the one. So predictive analysis I have completed. Okay. Yeah. So as I told, the responsibilities of data scientist, or yeah. So what is the first one, guys? Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys. Now the technical issue is fixed, so I am able to share the screen. You guys can see the screen, right, miss? All of you. Okay. So I have some question in the chat. 1 second. ML, yes, yes, Samir. ML Ops is also a part of the course. Okay, that also will be part because that is essential to learn data science. Okay, as it focuses on your learning life cycle of data science. Okay, like for example, from development, right? You write the code, okay, development and deploying, okay, and maintenance also. So all these things will come under ML Ops. Okay, machine learning engineering is there. Okay, and data science models also I have discussed, right? So that is the thing. Okay. Yeah. Hope this answers your question, Samir. Are you there, Samir? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thank you, Samir. Thank you. Okay. So responsibilities of data scientists, guys. You can look into this, and then I'll move to the AI because we have to see Gen AI and Agentic AI as well. So I'll give you some overview of how the things will. Okay. So they will do some data analysis, okay, and modeling. Modeling means they will clean the data, okay, basically, so that it gets ready for the analysis. Clear? Data processing is. Then you'll have problem solving because there will be some requirements given to you. So you have to work on that and try to solve. So that is nothing but your data analysis on it. Communication. So these are some responsibilities of data scientists. What skills are required now? Okay, to have data scientists. Okay, I told you, right? Statistics is one part, and mathematics. Okay. Next is some computer science understanding is also required. Okay. This is also we have just now seen, right? And AI is the broader part. Okay. Some domain knowledge and communicating. Your communication is the last part. Okay. Clear? I hope it's clear, guys, all of you. Right. Now, so we have discussed about this one. AI I was telling you, right? Artificial intelligence. Okay. So as I told, it is a technology, right? It is a technology, yes. Okay, which enables, okay, machines to simulate or act. Okay, simulate means acting like this. Okay. Uh, yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, Deepak. So communication means, for example, you did some analysis. Okay, data analysis you have done or prediction analysis you have done. So those findings, those information you have to communicate. Okay, in terms of statistical manner, there will be different scores. Okay, numbers you can say. From those you have to satisfy that okay, this is in the range, and then you have to build a report, okay, at the end, and you have to submit that, okay, in terms of communication. Okay, analysis communication basically. Okay, okay, yeah, thanks Deepak. Yeah, okay, okay, we'll see that. Okay, just an overview I'm trying to give you. Okay, once we go for the demo and course, right, you guys will understand more. Okay, so it is a technology which enables machines to simulate, guys. Okay, simulate or act basically like so, like humans. Okay, or human abilities you can take what it can bring, such as what I told about AI, right? So you can have decision making, how the humans make a decision, right? Okay, learning also is one part, right? And also how to solve the problem. Okay, so these are common things in humans also, right? You find in generally every human being, right? Decision making will be there, learning, problem solving, like that. Clear? So this is about the AI, guys. Okay, and I told you it will process large amount of data. Okay, AI will process large amount of data. Okay, clear? to identify the patterns, okay, and also make predictions, as I told, right? Because everything is about predictions, okay, predictive analysis. Identify patterns in the data, okay, make predictions, okay. And also what AI does is it perform tasks like, what are the different tasks like? Right? It can understand human language, understanding human language, okay. Okay. And also you can term as it recognizes, okay. What it will recognize as images, okay. That is also one of the part that AI performs, okay. This will be done often, okay, at a scale and also speed surpassing humans. Because manually, if you do, it will be somewhat slow, right, on a scale. So if I just automate it through a machine, it will become much more fast, right? You understand, right, guys? So that's what happened in general words, like understanding human language and recognize images as well, and often at a scale and speed surpassing the human capability. That means it is going to perform its work and task much more than faster than human capabilities. Okay. So example, what we can look into, guys, this one. AI search engine. Okay. Yeah. Virtual assistants, right? Virtual assistants will be there. And some recommended systems. That is part of AI on this. Okay, I'm just giving some example of AI. Okay, guys. So how the AI works? Now we'll look into this one. Okay. It will recognize the patterns. Okay. Make decisions. It will understand, guys. Okay, understand, and also it will generate language. Okay. Basically human like text and speech, you can say. Okay. And also it will, yeah, so these are some of the works that AI does, guys. Okay. Okay. I hope you're clear, guys, still here, right? So some key characteristics are like human like capabilities are there. Okay, data driven things, specific task performance, okay, or work, or also automating the actions. Okay. Okay. So this is about somewhat overview of the AI, guys. Okay, and data science as well. Okay, now we'll look into Gen and Agentic AI. Okay. So this is a type of AI, guys. Okay. Gen AI, it is a part of AI. Gen AI means generative AI. Okay. generative AI or artificial intelligence. It will create, okay, novel content. Okay. So what do you mean by novel content, guys? It has two things. What is images? Okay, like a book is there, and inside on top of the book also some images are there. Okay, clear? And also it describes what it is doing. Like for example, ideas. Okay, like what ideas it has and what content it has. Okay, like that. Okay, novel content. Clear, guys? Okay. Novel content, I'll put it, such as text I told you, right? Inside the matter, inside text, images will be there. Okay. Some code will be there. And audio also is a part of novel content. Audio and video as well will take. Okay. So this will be in response, okay, to what user asks or user prompts. Okay, you can create different prompts as well. I hope this is clear, guys, right? Till here. Okay. So this is about generative AI. So we'll have a look into this one as well, which is part of your AI only. Okay, artificial intelligence. It is going to fall under AI. Okay. And agentic AI. So agentic AI will refer to autonomous AI. Okay. Autonomous artificial intelligence. Okay. Gen AI is generative artificial intelligence. Okay. So this also, I'm just giving you a little bit overview. Okay, what exactly will be as part of your training, or you can say demo once we start, right? Course part. Okay, as this is a seminar, so I'm just walking you through why it is important and what it is. Okay, why we use it actually. Clear? Okay. Agentic AI. So this one we'll see. So these are capable of, you can tell. Okay. Decision making is one process, guys, in AI, but one more is there. Okay. Independent decision making. Okay, that means it doesn't have any other resources to discuss. On independently, it will have the decision on its own. Okay, algorithm you can say. Clear? Planning will be there. Okay. And taking some actions, okay, in order to achieve goals. Okay. With minimal means less, right? Less human supervision. So mostly it will act on its own, guys. Okay, you'll have to set it first, certain standards other than with less human supervision or intervention, you can achieve the goals as well. And it has the capability to take independent decisions. Okay. taking independent decision making, planning, as well as taking actions to achieve the goals. Okay, clear, guys? Okay, so we have discussed this one. Okay, I'll come to the end part. Okay, just why data science is important. We have discussed already, right? It transforms the raw data basically, right? You'll have some raw data, unstructured data into actionable insights like decision making, recognize the patterns, understand language and all, right? All these things we have seen here. See, problem solving, data processing. So all these things will enable for better decisions, right? Okay, clear. And also it will help the industries to innovate. Okay, it will help in innovation as well, data science. Okay, in healthcare, finance, any kind of industry you take. And it drives the artificial intelligence development as well. It helps to automate the task. Okay, and also it will allow for problem solving in various fields, like from marketing to some urban planning, okay, or urban rural. Okay, yeah. Why AI is important? Artificial intelligence. We have discussed about data science. Now, why AI is important? So AI is nothing but it drives the force or it innovates, right? It drives the innovation. Okay, it will increase your productivity, like work, and also it will be able to solve complex problems, guys. Okay, by automating the task. Okay, and analyzing large data sets, as I told. Okay, and also it will help in improving the decision making. Okay, across various companies or industries. Okay, clear? Now, generative AI. Okay, why this is important? It will reduce the cost and time base. Okay, usage. So this is very, very important, right, guys? Because it is directly reducing your work in terms of cost and save time. Because it will automate the tasks, right? Okay, repetitive tasks. So company can relocate different things using generative AI. Okay, clear? Okay. Now, agentic AI. What about agentic AI usage? So agentic AI will be more than a normal AI, you can say. Okay. So as I told, it will be able to make independent decisions, right? That is one part. Okay. It will help in personal productivity. Guys. Productivity means how the work is happening. Okay. Okay. Change business. Okay. Change business. Okay. Or else revolutionizing the business. Okay. Revolutionizing the business. Okay. Yeah. Adaptability as well. Adaptability. Okay. So these are some usages of Agentic AI and Gen AI as well. And you know about AI we have discussed, and data science and all. Okay, so this was about the introduction about our free seminar topics on data science, full stack data science, including artificial intelligence and Gen AI, guys, okay, and Agentic AI as well. Okay, so any question, guys? You have anything? I think management has mentioned the details of the courses, right, in the chat window, if you can see, guys, right? See, so there will be the training, okay, demo will be on next Sunday and Saturday, sorry, this Saturday, 11th and 12th will be starting off the batches, guys, okay, for full stack data science, okay, with Agentic and generative AI as well. Okay, that will be from morning 7 a.m. guys. Okay, and you have everything, every details are there. Okay, management has mentioned that. Okay, course content link also they have shared. Okay, and registration for demo also is shared, guys. Okay. Yes, Deepam. So we'll try to integrate Gen AI as well as Agentic AI both. Okay, because that is part of your training and all, right? So that will be integrated with the main AI. Okay, that we'll see how the integration and connections are happening with data science as well. Okay, using ML, deep learning, and uh, artificial intelligence. Okay. Okay, integration through. Okay. Yeah, basically you'll have hybrid systems, Deepam. Okay, and API also is one part of it. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, so they'll have a lot of things. One point will take as APIs also. Integration will happen. Okay, and there will be again like CI/CD pipelines and all will be there. Okay, so those methods will be there. We'll look into that. Okay, but yeah, API also will be used for integration. Okay, yeah. Thanks, Deepan. Okay. Any other question, guys, you have regarding the today's seminar or any doubts you have? We can ask me. Yeah, guys. Anything else you wanted to ask us? Okay. Share highlight over this. Yeah, Deepam, that is actually we are going to cover that part in the demo. Okay, because this is just a free seminar, right? So I'll just walk you through the need and why it is used. Okay. On I mean, yeah, that is fine. Land graph and LLM. So we'll try to look into that as well, Deepam. Okay, once the demo starts, right? Then we'll try to see all those things. Okay, but this is just to give you a general overview. Okay, exactly how the things are in place for generative AI, agentic AI as well as data sets. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Deepa. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have all the detail, guys, right? Everyone, right, about the demo and course. Yes, yes. Thanks. Deepan. Okay. So hope to see you all. Okay, for my demo class this Saturday. Okay, from where the training will start. Okay, so you can join. Okay, you can discuss all the details regarding the fee structure. Everything is mentioned here to you guys. Okay, in the chat, the management has given everything. Okay, demo link as well, content, what's going to be covered. Okay, now it's a online batch, guys. Okay, I provide online training, and it is on weekends, so Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, fine. So thanks a lot, guys. Okay, for attending the free seminar today. Okay, being a Sunday. Thanks a lot. Okay, and anything you have questions regarding anything else, you can check with the management. Okay, they have all the details with course and also they'll be already they have given. So if you have anything else, you can approach them. Okay, fine. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, hope to see you all in my coming session on full stack data science and Gen AI as well as agentic AI. Okay, for this weekend. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks all. Okay.